feel alone on the dark side. Get a cup, drink it up till I can't cry. I don't feel alive till it's...
What's up, A gang? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to transform these denim shorts into a replica of Fashion Nova's trendy Lot to Love distressed Bermudas. You're going to need these tools or something similar to assist with this project. Tweezers, highlighter or pencil or anything that will mark your denim, a sharp X-Acto knife, box cutter or blade, a shaver, scissors, and cardboard. I'm going to suggest you try them on and mark it. Have your inspiration and mark where it fits on your body. I've done this before, so I'm going to eyeball it. But here's an example. In my case, I had to use a seam ripper because I'm detaching the fold and extending the fabric. Cardboard, fold it, and fit it into the leg of the shorts. This is going to prevent your cutting from passing through the other side or damaging the floor or any area you're working on. Grab your blade and you can follow the lines you marked earlier, or you can eyeball it. The choice is yours. Just make sure when you are cutting, your lines are straight across and putting pressure on the knife enough to cut through the denim, but not enough to cut through the cardboard. So just make sure you're being very careful and that your lines are clean and right across. Use the tweezers and pull and tug any loose threads one at a time in order to give it that ripped look. Then grab your shaver and you're going to brush it across any cut lines, any raw edges to give it that distressed effect. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be demonstrating this project on two different types of shorts. One is a very shorter version and it's stretchier. I would suggest you try it on again and make your markings, but again, I'm going to eyeball it and I'm just going to look at my inspo and take it from there. Alright guys, you're on your way to having a pair of super dope, trendy Bermudas. This step is very important. You must, absolutely must put your shorts in the washer. It is very important. It's a crucial step in this project. They must go into the washer and then into the dryer. Guys, we are all done with our project. Congratulations, you have a pair of dope Bermuda distressed denim. I looked at them again, and after seeing them, I'm happy with my finished product, but I think I want a little bit more rips and tears, and I wanted to have a little bit more of a distressed look. So I'm gonna go in with my scissors and just go ahead and start cutting.